that's lifting your MLAs, sir? This is...
Complete violation, complete misuse of power has been done by the Congress government in the state of Karnataka. We want the Chief Minister and his entire government to apologize to the people of Karnataka for misusing and welcoming people who are not eligible for any protocol. So this is an outright abuse of power. So this government should also be dismissed.
It is unfortunate. We have laid out some guidelines, some rules in the House. House rules are there. Nobody prevents them to go and protest in the well. But there is some basic discipline which they have to follow. It's not like, attacking the chair, which is normally, we don't see that in Karnataka legislature. And this has happened. It is unfortunate. And we also appeal to the Speaker to take some action. Otherwise, if it is let go, I don't think our houses will run properly.
This is a murder of democracy today in Vidhan Sabha. The Hitler-Shahi and dictatorship government, Congress government, under leadership of Siddaramaiah, has suspended 10 of our colleagues for no reason. Such incidents have happened earlier also, but we have never taken such action. This shows the dictator attitude of this government, and Speaker has succumbed to it. We have issued no confidence motion on Speaker, and this is a murder of democracy, suppressing the voice of the opposition and dictatorship of this government. We are going to take this fight to the people.